Hello and welcome. Fresh flowers are something which can brighten up your mood and the corner of your house in the price of a dime. You don't need any expensive items, they are just enough to cheer you up. So let's see how we can prolong their lives. Here I have a bunch of flowers I got from the grocery store. They were in a pack. I got them and now I can see that their stem is healthy and their foliage is also looking pretty green and healthy. So we will see some tips and tricks how we can just prolong the life of our new friends. So first of all, I'll take a jar of water which I kept for 24 hours so that the chlorine can go off, and now I took a pair of scissors. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to cut the stem of the flower in a 45-degree angle and 1 inch in length, but I'll do that inside the water so that there is no air bubble formed. So here again I'm showing you the same thing. Here I'm cutting it inside the water and keeping it here. I'm also making sure that I take out any extra foliage that can go inside the water. So here I have all the stems cut and put in water for some time, and I have made sure that all the lower foliages are cut off. Now I took the glass vase where I put the flowers and I took 3 inches of water inside it, and then I'm going to add some nutrients to it. So either you can use the flower food that comes with the bouquet, or else if you don't have it, you can just add a teaspoon of sugar to the water and just mix it in so it can give the required nutrients to your flowers to survive for a long time. So I just gave it a stir, and then I'll put in all my flowers or inside the vase, and I'll arrange it the way I like it. Also, to prolong the life of your flowers, you should try to keep it in such a place where it doesn't come in direct sunlight. It doesn't need to get the direct sunlight coming on top of it. So there you have the flower vase, and you can change the water every week. Alternatively, you can also put your flowers in the refrigerator for 24 hours. This will also prolong the life of your flowers. So do let me know which of these tricks works for you and how you like the video. If you do like the video, please consider subscribing and hit the like button. Thank you.